Are you tired of manually converting currencies in Salesforce? Learn how to enable multi-currency in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps to activate this feature. First, we'll access the company settings, then enable the option. Start by clicking on the Quick Settings gear icon in the top right corner. Then, from the drop-down, select Open Advanced Setup to access the full setup menu. In the Quick Find box, type Company to filter the setup options. From the search results, select Company Information to open that page. Click the Edit button to make the page editable. Now, scroll down to the Currency Settings section. Check the box to enable Activate Multiple Currencies. Finally, click Save to apply the change. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.